Hello friends, I am Shagnik and I welcome you all to online learning. Today we are going to discuss about the TCS, the questions which are going to ask in advanced round. Okay, so question level will be slight tough, but if your concepts are clear, you can do them easily. Okay, so let us move to the first question. A and B started a business by investing rupees 35,000 and 20,000 respectively. B left the business after 5 months and C joined the business with a sum of rupees 15,000. The profit earned at the end of the year is rupees 84125. What is the B's share of profit? So this is a partnership question. So how to solve this? Let us first reduce the ratio. Okay, so the profit earned should be dependent on the amount they have invested and how much time they have invested. Okay, B start invested 35,000. Okay, and he invested for the full term. Okay, so it is given at the end of the year, so there should be 12 months, right? Is to 20,000 invested by B, and he invested. B left the business after 5 months, so he invested for 5 months, right? Is to then C joined the business with a sum of rupees 15,000. After 5 months C joined. Okay, so he or she has invested for how many months? 7 months, right? With 15,000, right? This should be the share of each one of them, A, B and C. So let us reduce them. We can cut 3 zeros from each one of them, right? Okay, now we can divide it by 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fours are 20, and 5 threes are 15. If we now calculate, 12 sevens are 84, 4 fives are 20, 7 threes are 21. So this is the ratio of them of investing, right? So it is given the profit earned at the end of the year is 8,420, 84,125. So the profit should be divided among them in this ratios only, right? So what is B share of profit? B's invested 20 by the total, that is 84 plus 20 plus 21. If we do into 84125, then we will be receiving A shares of profit, right? So 84 plus 20, B share of profit, 84 plus 20 plus 21, it would be 41 plus 84, it would be 125. So 125 by 84125, if you calculate, you will be getting 673. So 20 into 673, it would be coming as 13460. Okay, this would be your answer. If they have told you to find B A share of profit, then what you have done? 84 by total, that is 125 into 84125, 84125, like this way. Okay, hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, it is the same type of question with slight twist. It is given A started some business with rupees 26,000. After 3 months, B joined him with rupees 16,000. After some time, C joined with rupees 25,000. At the end of the year, out of total profit of rupees 15453, C gets rupees 3825 as his share. So it is given how much C received. Okay, and how many months after B joined the business did C join? So we have to find out after how many months after B joined, the C had joined the at them, so that C receives a profit of, or receives amount of 3825. So I would request you all to please pause the video and try the question yourself, then see the answer. Okay. Okay, up to now you have got your answer. So let us find how to do it. Okay, so first we will take the ratio. Okay, the ratio would be what? The money they have invested into the time. A started some business with 26,000 and he has not left. Okay, and he has joined initially. So after uh, it is given for a year at the end of the year, right? So 26,000 into 12 is to, after 3 months B joined him. So B has not left, and but he has joined after 3 months. Okay, so it should be starting from 9 months, right? So B has invested the money for total 9 months. That would be 16,000 into 9. Okay, and after some time C joined, so we don't know when C has joined, so consider it as X. And what would be the amount he has invested? It is 25,000, right? Okay, so this is our equation: 26,000 into 12, 16,000 into 9, 25,000 into X. So let us reduce the equation, cut the zeros. Okay, 25,000 into X. So 26 into 12, what we will be getting? 312. 16 into 9 is 144, and it would be 25X. So it is already given that she's share is 3825. Okay, so she has invested 25X by the total is 312 plus 144 plus 25X into, it is given what is the profit, 15453, and it would be equal to 3825 as C has earned it. So if you solve this, what would be, it would be coming 25 x in 25 into 15453. If you calculate it, you would be receiving 38635 x by 312 plus 144 plus 25x. So 312 plus 144, it would be 456 plus 25x would be equal to 3825. So if you cut it, 3825 into 101 is 38635. Okay, so 101x is equal to 456 plus 25x, right? So if you solve it, x would be equal to 6 months. So C has invested the money for 6 months, and it is given after 3 months B joined. So after how many months of B C joined? So after C has invested for 9 months, so after, and C has invested for 6 months, so after 3 months of B C joined. So your answer would be 3 months. Don't be in a hurry, otherwise you will do mistake. Okay, so your correct answer would be 3 months, because it is given how many months after B joined the business did C joined. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Okay, it is given there is a sum of rupees 180 costing of rupees 1, 50 paise and 25 paise coins in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4 in a box. What is the value of 50 paise coins? Again, I would request you, please pause the video and try it yourself, then see the solution. Okay, up to now you have found the solution. I hope so. So now let us find the solution. Okay, it is given the total sum of rupees 180 is, we are getting a total sum of 180, and we have 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coin and 25 paise coin, and they are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. So if we multiply the value of the coin into the number of coin and we add them all, then only we will be getting 180, right? Because summation of everything is 180. And what we will do, 1 is the value, into 2 is the ratio, so let us consider it as 2x plus 50 paise, we can write it as 0.50, 0.50 into 3 into 3x plus 0.25 into 4x would be equal to 180. So if we take x as common, then it would be 2 plus 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 180, or 4.5x is equal to 180, then x would be equal to 40. Then what is the value of 50 paise coin? Okay, so value of 50 paise coin would be 1.5 into x, right? So 1.5 into 40, that would be 60. That would be the answer. Hope you have understood. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, if the price of sugar is increased by 25%, then by how much percent should a person reduce his consumption of sugar so that his expenditure remains the same? You can do this problem by several ways. This is a percentage question, but I would suggest you to do it by the trick with which I am solving. It would be giving you the answer in the least amount of time. So, it is given the price of sugar is increased by 25%. So suppose the price of sugar initially was 100. Now the price has increased to 125. So if we find what percent is 100 of 125, and if we find that, then the person should reduce the consumption of that percent only, then the expenditure will be remaining the same. So we will be finding out what percentage of 125 is 100. So how to find it? Let let us consider it as x by 100 into 125 is equal to 100, because we have to find what percent of 125 is 100. Okay, if we solve it, x is equal to 100 into 100 by 125. So 25 fours are 25 fives are 5, 20s are, so 100 is 80% of 125. So if the person has to limit his consumption in 100 rupees only, so he have to reduce the consumption by 20%, because 100 minus 20% is 80%. Easy, right? So you have to find it like this. Suppose they have given the if the price of sugar is decreased by 25%, then what we have would have done, x by 100 into 75 is equal to 100. So 100 into 100 by 75, it would be 3. It would be then 25 3s are 25 4s are, then it would be 400 by 3. It would be something 133.33%. So if the person increase his consumption by 33.33%, then his amount, then his expenditure should would have become same. Like this way you have to solve. Okay, easy. I hope the question is clear to you. Okay, and the solution also. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, it is given by decreasing by 20% decrease in price of rice, people can buy 10 kg more rice in rupees 100. So what is the original price of 1 kg rice? So suppose the initial price was p, and with that price we can buy a amount of rice. So the price, suppose the price is initially 1. Okay, now it has decreased 20%. So what it would have become? 0.8. By 20% decrease in price, people can buy 10 kg more rice. So suppose the initial price was p. Let us delete it. Suppose the initial price was p. Okay, so by 20% decrease of price, it would be 0.80. Why? Because 20%, okay, 100 minus 20 is 80. So 20% decrease, so 80 by 100. What is 80 by 100? It is 0.80, right? So 0.80 p into a percent, people can buy 10 kg more rice. So it would be a plus 10. It would be equal to p into a, because this was the original or the initial price and the initial amount of rice, right? So p and p would be cut. Now if you solve it, 0.80a, right? 0.808 plus 8 is equal to a. Okay, then a minus 0.80, so 8 is equal to 0.2a, so a would be becoming 40 kg. So initially the person could have bought 40 kg rice in rupees 100, right? So what is the original price of 1 kg rice? It would be 100 by 40, that is rupees 2.5. And if they ask you the new price of rice, that would be 100, because he can now buy 50 kg rice. 40 plus 10 50, that would be 100 by 50, so rupees 2. So the new price is rupees 2. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Okay, it is given which largest number will divide 47, 35, 27, leaving same remainder. What will be the common remainder? This is a HCF and LCM based question, and this has a particular trick to do this question. What we have to do? We have to subtract all the numbers among themselves, neglecting the negative sign first. Okay, so let us do it. 47 minus 35, it would be 12. Then 35 minus 27, it would be 8. Then 27 minus 47, it is 20, neglecting the negative sign. Now find the LCM of them. Okay, 8, 12, 20. So what would be the LCM? If we do it by 4, it would be coming as 2, 3, 5. So our LCM is 4. Now now this is the this is the HCF. And now uh, if we do the division, if you do the division with 47, let us do the division. Then 4 11s are 44, then remainder would be 3. Then again 4 by 35, then remainder would be 3 again. Then uh, again 4 by 27, okay, 4 6, the remainder would be 3. So which largest number? So the largest number is 4. If that is the HCF, if we do the division by 4, we will be having a common remainder 3 in all the cases. So the answer is 3. So how to do it? First, we have to subtract the number among themselves. Then we have to find the HCF. The HCF would be the largest number, which when divide all the numbers will be leaving the same remainder. And what is the same remainder? Same remainder is the 3. Okay, that is your answer. Now let us move to the next question. Okay. 5 clocks ring automatically at intervals of 12 minutes, 8 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 10 minutes. In 8 minutes, how many times they ring together? So when they will give you like this, we have to find the LCM of all of them. So let us find the LCM. 12, 8, 3, 4, 10. Let us do the LCM. First divide by 2. It would be coming as 6, 4, 3, 2, 5. Then again by 2. 3 2 3 1 5. Okay, then again by 2, it would be 3 1 3 1 5. Then by 3, it would be 1 1 1 1 5. So let us calculate it. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 5 120. That is 120 minutes. That means 2 hours. So after every 2 hours they ring together. So in 8 minutes, 8 hours, how many times they ring together? That would be 4 times, right? Hope you have understood. Easy question. So if you know the logic, then it would be very very easy for you. It does not matter it is a foundational or basic type of question or it is an advanced type of question. Okay, let us move to the next question. Okay, 10 years ago, P was half of Q in age. If the ratio of present age is 3 is to 4, what is the total of present age? So the suppose the present age, it is given the present age is 3 is to 4. Okay, so 10 years ago, so let us consider the present age as 3x. So 10 years ago it would be 3x minus 10, and below denominator 4x minus 10, the ratio would be 1 is to 2. 10 years, because 10 years ago it is given uh, P was half of Q in age. So P's now age is 3x minus 10. So, and Q's now's age is 4x, and Q's now's and P's current age is 3x, and Q's current age is 4x. So if we divide them, subtract them by 10, 3x minus 10 and 4x minus 10, then we will be getting the ratio 10 years ago, that is 1 by 2, right? Now just let us solve it. Okay, just solve it. 6x minus 20 by 4x minus 10, right? So it would be 2x. 2x is equal to 10, right? Therefore x would be equal to 5. So what is the total of the present age? So total of the present age is 3x plus 4x, that is 7x. So total would be 7 into 5, that is 35 would be your answer. Okay, just read the question properly and you can get the solution how to do it. Okay, a man sold an article at a loss of 20%. If he sells the article for rupees 12 more, he would have gained 10%. Then calculate the cost price of the article. Let us consider CP as rupees X. So how to find the selling price? We know selling price is equal to profit 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 percentage by 100 into CP. Okay, or or loss percentage, sorry, if we have to find the SP, we know how to find it. We have to find it 100 plus profit percent into 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP, and to find if it is loss, then 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. So first it is given a man sold an article at a loss of 20%. So 100 minus 20%, it would be 80 by 100 into X. So first condition would be XP is equal to 80 by 100 X, right? And it is given if he sells the article for rupees 12 more. So add 12 here. Okay, add 12 here, and he would have gained 110%. So then SP would have become what? 100, 100 plus 10, that is 110 by 100 into X. So both are equal. So just let us equate it. So it would be 80 by 100 X plus 12 is equal to 110 by 100 X. Okay, just solve it. 180x plus 1200 by 110x by 100, 100 will be gone, then it would become 30x is equal to 1200, x would become 1212 by 30, 0 cut, 3 it would be 40. So the cost price of the article is 40. Just we have equated the equation because we have considered CPS X. So as there is a loss of 20%, by this formula 100 minus 20% is 80 by 100 into X. And if he sells the article for rupees 12 more, so with this SP we have to add 12. He would have gained what? 10%, that would be equal to 10%. And we know if there is a profit of 10%, then we will be having 110 by 100 into X. So we have just equated it and we have got the solution. Hope you have understood. Now let us move to the last question of today's. Okay, it is given a shopkeeper used 800-gram weight instead of a kg and sold the goods at 20% more than the CP. What is the profit or loss percent? So let us first find out what profit he has done by doing this cheating. That is, he has used 800 gram of weight instead of a kg. So he has done a cheating of 200 gram, right? And the total gram is 800, and if we do it by 100, we will get the cheating percent or profit percent he has been getting it. If we cut it 0 1 by 4 into 100, so 25%. So by doing this cheating, he has getting 25% profit. Suppose they have given he has used 500 gram of weight. So what we would have done, we would have done 500 by 500, because total is 500, and he has done a cheating of 500 because 1000 minus 500 is 500, right, into 100. That would be 500, 500 gone, that he would have been having a profit of 100%, right? So this is the other case, and initially we have got 25%. Now it is, they are telling, sold the goods at 20% more than the cost price. So here again he is getting a profit of 20%. So how to find the total profit? The formula is 25%. Formula is a plus b plus AB by 100 to find the total profit. That would be 25 plus 20 plus 25 into 20 by 100. Now if you solve it, 25 into 20, it would be 500 by 100. 25 to the 50, 500 by 100. Okay, so 45 plus 5. So his total profit is 50%, right? So hope you have enjoyed the session. If you have enjoyed it, please like it, comment it. If you are facing any problem, and please share it among your friends. And best of luck for your TCS exam. Just read the question properly, and I am sure you will be able to do it, and you will crack the exam. So best of luck. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.